On the bench, I have the Axial SCX24 1967 Chevrolet C10. This is a 1/24 scale electric four-wheel drive RC. This is an RTR, a ready-to-run RC, and it has LED lights included. This looked perfect for days like this where it's rainy and I was looking for something to maybe do. I can drive this around in the office or even outside on a small little course. I picked up the green version. I thought this was really cool looking. I've seen people add the light bars, which I think I might actually go ahead and do. I was going to pick up this black version too, but Axial just announced the anniversary edition that was coming out, so I'm going to pick that up instead. But enough jibber jabber out of me, time to get this thing opened. Man, this thing is sweet. It's actually a lot cooler than I even thought it was going to be. There's just so much detail in this little rig. It just looks so awesome. I'm also super pumped because the roll bar that I thought I was going to have to buy extra comes in the box. Also in the box you get this little charger here. And it's just a simple USB plug-in. The radio is the AX4. It's a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. And under the cover you have some buttons, some trim, on-off switch, things like that. Batteries for the transmitter do come with this, so this is truly an RTR. You're getting everything that you need to get up and running day one. You're also getting a little Allen key and some extra parts. Looks like some links, maybe a drive shaft, and a body pin. Two clips will get into the inside of this thing, and it just lifts up like so. So this is powered by the AE6. This is a 2.4 gigahertz ESC and RX combo. You have all your plugins up in the front, and you can see the little motor kind of peeking out from under the chassis there. And even though it's tough to see in the chassis, this is a Dynamite 88-turn brushed electric motor. And you have your small axle mounted servo, the AS1. Your two LEDs are actually right there in the bumper. And this is all powered by a Reaction 2S 30C 3050 battery. These coil over shocks look super cool. So much action in them. So awesome. So I'm super excited to try this thing out. I'm going to install this light bar, get this battery charged up, and get outside. And even though this charger doesn't come with, say, a plug, my Venom Pro Quad charger has little USB ports in the back. Makes it very convenient for charging. Light bar is on, battery is charged, let's go.
So I'm at a super secret crawl spot. I'm going to see if this Axial SCX24 can make it to the top of this hill.
I'm actually just in my backyard. I was hoping the rain would let up a little bit, but it continues to pour. I'm about halfway up. This thing is doing great. A lot of fun. So this thing packs a ton of fun into a small package. This was a blast. These rocks are a little big, and I had to help it out quite a few times, but you know what? For what it is, this thing is so cool. For the price, really can't beat it.